Student, how are you? I hope you will be fine. Dear student, in the last video, I told you that I will teach you the main points of the lesson, the summer of beautiful white horse. So, I am going to teach you the main points of this lesson. The summer of the beautiful white horse. The summer of the beautiful white horse. The main points of these lessons are, see student, number first, Aram and Murad. Aram and Murad were two cousins. They were two Armenian boys. And the second point of this lesson are, they belong to the Garogalian tribe. And the third main points of these lessons are, their tribe was poor stricken. Here it means that nowadays their tribe was facing a lot of difficulties. For last 7 centuries they never compromised for their honesty. And the fourth point of this lesson are, the Garogalian family was famous for its honesty. So, 5 points of this lesson are, one day Murad was sitting on a beautiful white horse, and the 6th point of this lesson are, no member of the family could buy a horse. Hence it must be stolen, because the Garogalian family was famous for honesty, and last 7th century they never compromised for their honesty. And the 7th point of this lesson are, Murad had stolen the horse. It is confirmed that Murad had stolen the horse, so he had come to invite the narrators to ride. Narrators, Aram is the narrator of this lesson. And the 8th point of this lesson are, the narrator Aram justified stealing the horse. Stealing for ride was not the same things as stealing it for money. 9 points of this lesson are, the horse was hidden in the barren of deserted vineyard. In this way, two boys, Aram and Murad, daily horse riding. They do horse riding. In this way, they hide it in a deserted vineyard. The 10 points, the 10 main points of this lesson are, Murad had a good understanding with a horse while the narrator Aram had done. When Aram tried to ride on a horse, all time the horse threw him from his back and he fell down. And next point of this lesson is, one day a farmer named John Barrow come to Uncle Khosrow house. Uncle Khosrow, all people consider that he is an eccentric person. So John Barrow come to Uncle Khosrow and complain that his horse was stolen last month and yet he was not found. At this, Uncle Khosrow said to him, "It is no harm. It is no harm what a horse is lost." And the next point of this lesson, one morning Aram and Murad met John Barrow. John Barrow accidentally. He was on his way to town to see his horse. John Barrow began to say it was his horse and complained both boy his horse was stolen. But he believed on Garogalian family, because last 7th century they never compromised for their honesty. And the next point, he thought that their horse was twin of his horse. He thought that his horse was twin of his horse. One day, both boys, Aram and Murad, came to the horse and left it into the garden of John Barrow. In this way, next morning, John Barrow got his stolen horse back. I hope you will understand this lesson. That's all.